Understanding the type code for the MSK040B. MSK denotes the motor as an Indramat S synchronous servomotor. 040 denotes a frame size of 040. B denotes a frame length of B. 0450 denotes a winding code of 0450. NN denotes a natural convection cooling mode. M1 denotes a hyperface, optical encoder. U denotes a rotatable, 240-degree electrical connection. G denotes a plain shaft. 0 denotes a lack of holding brake. NNNN denotes a standard design. Frequently asked questions about the MSK040B. What is the maximum torque? The maximum torque is 5.1 Newton-meters. What is the maximum current? The maximum current is 6.0 amps. What is the number of pole pairs? There are 4 pole pairs. What is the weight of this motor? The motor weighs 2.8 kilograms. What is the protection rating? This motor has an IP65 protection rating. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all MSK sales and replacements.